and welcome back to Making Games with Unity. Today I'm going to teach you what is logical operators in C#. So now in our code here you can see that we have a three variable here, A, B, and C. A have a true value, B have a true value, and C have a false value. So in the first if we are using the logical operator AND. It means A and B condition must be true. So meaning A is true, B is true, so meaning this debug log here will print. So this is the AND operator. Next operator is the OR operator. So now we have A, which is true, and C, which is false. In OR operator, if any one of these variable is true, this debug log will trigger. It means that this A or C are true will be print because A is true even though C is false. Meaning, yeah, that's the OR operator. The third logical operator is the NOT operator. It means it's just reversing. For example, right now the C is false, right? But we use it on this if, so it means it reverses, meaning this debug log will print because C will become true because C right now is false, and then we use the NOT, it will reverse the condition and then it will print the C is true. So let's try that. I'm going to Unity project and then I'm going to hit play. So right now you can see that A and B are true, which is this one because these two conditions are true. The next one is A or C are true, meaning A is true or C is true. In our case, A is true. That's why this debug log show because of the OR operator. If this OR operator will be AND operator, this message will not be shown. Alright, back to the C is true. This one is printed because if we go back to our code, C is false, right? And then we use the NOT operator. It means it reversed the condition here. That's why the C is true is printed. So right now we can stop this one. We can clear this one and we can go back to our logic. For example, this OR, I'm going to change the condition to AND. And then we're going to comment out this first if and this, and then this second one, so that we can see only this one. So in this case, this message will not be printed because we use the AND operator. So I'm going to put here something like A and C are not true. No, either A and C are not true. So we can go back to our project and we can hit play. So this one print either A and C are not true because right now we're using the AND. So if we're going to change this to OR, it means this debug message will be shown because A is true, C is false. Let's see. Okay, I'm going to clear again. Let's hit play. And there you go. So now, at least you know now the three logical operator. Just always remember that if you are using AND, this is more strict. It means both condition must be true. If you're using OR logical operator, either one condition must be true to trigger this condition. Using the NOT, this one is just reversing the condition. So if you want to reverse something, you can use the NOT operator and then you'll trigger this condition. So that's it, guys. So yeah, I hope you learned something today, and yeah, if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe and please hit that notification bell so you always get updated when we upload a new video. So that's it, guys. Thank you for watching and see you on the next video. Goodbye, guys.